quickly make a video about these solar motion sensing lights. So you can see how tall these are. Pretty tall. They have a solar panel on the top. They have a motion detector here, and they're RG. So they will have every color in the rainbow. You can control these via an app, but you can also have them turn on and off with just motion. So if someone walks by it, it'll turn on. The solar panel on the top means you don't have to worry about batteries or plugging these things in at all. Now, with the app, you have the ability to change the color, of course. You can turn them on and off. You can use your Alexas, your home assistants, everything. Say, hey, turn the lights on. You can have them dimmed. You can have them brighter, lower, white. All right? And you also have the ability to set scenes. You can adjust the sensitivity of this motion sensor right there. And my favorite part of these, actually, not only is the size, like the size is pretty big. They're probably, up to my knee. But I also like this right here. This is kind of my favorite part, because these things always tend to fall when you have the stakes, is that these have ability to screw them in. So if you have like a deck, you could put these on the edge of your deck and run 3 screws in there and hold this thing up. It really just makes it more stable, and I really appreciate that. This seems to be like a metal post here, and I'm not seeing any issues, with anything here. So I have them all set up here. I'm actually gonna get ready to set them up outside, but I wanted to make a quick video just inside.